Welcome to this tutorial on changing your landing page in LogMeOnce. If there's a page that you frequently use in LogMeOnce, such as Password Manager, Secure Notes, Dark Web Monitoring, or Secure Drive, you can set it as your landing page for easy access. To change your landing page, simply select the page you want to set as your landing page, and save it. Let's try it out and change my landing page to Password Manager. Now, whenever I log into LogMeOnce, I will be taken directly to the LogMeOnce Password Manager page. And that's it for this tutorial.